Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Nothing Phone 3A Lite, and let me share with you how to fix up crashing. So I'm pretty sure that all of us had this situation where we are trying to open the app and something's wrong, it just doesn't work. We can try to fix that. So the first thing which I highly recommend to do is to remove cache and then force stop your app. So let's go to the settings, or even better, find the icon of the app which is causing you some problems. So let's pretend in my case it is Google Chrome. So tap on it and hold it, and then tap on this info icon right in the middle. So we will be immediately transferred to the app info section connected with this app. So as I said, first of all, cache. Tap on storage and cache. And here we've got this cache section, so just tap on clear cache. This data is not necessary for the proper usage of the app, and sometimes it might interfere. So removing it is always a good option. After that, tap on force stop, because sometimes if this app is working in the background, it might interfere and it won't open again. So just tap on force stop and confirm it with tapping on OK. And at this moment, you can try to open the app. However, if that didn't work, then repeat all of those steps. So again, cache and force stop. And after that, power off your device and power it on again in order to confirm all of the changes. So press the power button and volume up button together once, and then tap on restart or power off. It's completely up to you. Another thing which I highly recommend to do is to check for the updates, because sometimes the older versions might have some problems. So let's enter the Google Play Store, and in search section, just enter the name of the app which you'd like to update. Tap on it. And here we've got the results under this sponsored section. And if your device will find the update, it will show you the information here. So instead of open, you will have update. So just tap on the update and let your device download a newer version and overwrite it over the older one. And after that, obviously try to open the app. If that didn't work, no worries, because sometimes overwriting the newer version over the older one might cause some file crashing, etc., some problems. So what I highly recommend to do then is to come back to this section here to Google Chrome, just tap on it, and here we will have this option uninstall. So just uninstall the app and then install it again. This operation will basically download the newest version and install it directly on your device without this overwriting thing. And it might be better, so you will be able to probably fix the problems which are connected with this overwrite. And as a last resort, I also highly recommend to check for the system updates, because sometimes older versions might have problems with running the newer apps. So all you have to do is to go to the settings. Right here, let's scroll all the way down to find About Phone, and simply tap on this Nothing OS. Tap on Nothing OS again, and your device will check for the updates. And if you will see something like that, so that there is the update available, I highly recommend to tap on Download and install and apply the update. Be aware and make sure that you've got the Wi-Fi connection instead of mobile data, so you can avoid some charges. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.